dear friends. Welcome back to Pinoy Value Cuisine. Here we are, we're doing another recipe. And these are the ingredients that we're going to be using. First in the list is this red snapper. And I marinated this with the salt and fish sauce. And these are the ingredients that we cut them into julienne. We have here ginger, colored bell peppers, and carrots, and this one here are chopped onions, minced garlic, and vegetable oil for frying this fish. Based on the ingredients I presented to you, my friends, we are obviously making another common household Filipino recipe. But do you know where it really originated? Where else than the country that colonized us for more than 300 years, and that is Spain or Hispania. But during the course of hundreds of years, we embraced this recipe as our own, putting our personal touches to make it world class. Here to present to you our own escabeche. Let's heat some oil. Make sure your oil is hot enough before putting your fish. There you go. This would take like 5 minutes to fry. And make sure you put your fish into medium so you won't burn it. Okay, let's flip it over. Make sure you are extra careful and keeping your fish or fine fish. So you want to take it so let's just cook this for another 5 minutes. Our fish is done, my friends. So let's put it aside for the meantime while we do our sauce. Alright, so let's heat another set of oil. Put the leftover oil on the fish. And then we're gonna put our minced garlic. And then our ginger sticks. And then our cut onions. Let's just stir it. And it's about time to put our 2 cups of water. Let it simmer for a few minutes. And then we're gonna put the rest of the ingredients. Alright, let's put the rest of our ingredients. That's 1/2 cup of vinegar, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 1/2 cup of tomato sauce. Let's mix it. Mix it well. Until the sugar is properly melted and mixed with the rest of the ingredients that we put in there. Alright, in a few minutes we're done, my friends. Let's pre-taste, my friends, before we proceed. it needs a little more saltiness. I'm adding like a teaspoon of fish sauce and stir it again. Now we can put our cornstarch mixture. This is 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of water. Let's mix it until our consistency is rich. It would take some time, a little time. Just keep on mixing. Keep on stirring. Stir, stir, stir. Oops. There you go. We got it. That's the consistency I wanted. Now let's put our vegetables. Our colored bell peppers or capsicum. Our carrots. Let's stir it. And we're almost there, guys. We're almost there. Look, our sauce thickness is just perfect. Yeah. Okay. Let's do my trademark, ladies and gentlemen. Plating time. Let's put our vegetable. Yummy, yummy. Again, good to the tummy. Yeah, let's put more sauce. Sumptuous sauce. Voila. And of course, I would like to take this opportunity once again, my dear friends and mga kabaryo, for joining us watching this exciting video. Hope to see you again next time, and God bless you all.